To buy crypto with a credit card on Phantom Wallet, start by opening the Phantom Wallet app and clicking on the Buy button. This will redirect you to a page where you can select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and the payment method. In this case, a credit card. Next, select the credit card option and choose your preferred cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to spend and review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. You will then be prompted to enter your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the information accurately to avoid any issues with the transaction. After entering your credit card information, you will be asked to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to prevent fraud and ensure that the transaction is secure. You may be asked to provide a government-issued ID or other identifying documents. Once your identity is verified, the transaction will be processed and the cryptocurrency will be added to your Phantom Wallet. You can then use the cryptocurrency to make purchases, trade it for other cryptocurrencies, or hold it as an investment. It is essential to note that buying crypto with a credit card can come with higher fees compared to other payment methods. Additionally, some credit card companies may charge cash advance fees or have restrictions on cryptocurrency purchases. To avoid any issues, make sure to check with your credit card company before making a purchase. It is also crucial to only use reputable and trustworthy cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets, such as Phantom Wallet, to ensure the security and integrity of your transactions. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily buy crypto with a credit card on Phantom Wallet and start exploring the world of cryptocurrency. Remember to always prioritize security and only use trusted platforms to make your transactions.